Hey guys, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Hey guys, you can check it cows and I will show you some of goats in my farm village view. Guys, love with animals is a best hobby in our life. You must love with animals. This is goats. You can check it and cow, buffalo, then cow. I really love with animals and love natural view, evening beautiful weather at sunset view. Check it. I will show you in from inside views gods. Hey, check it. This god is love with me. Check it. Here's my younger mamu. Check it. At evening, birds going to their home after spending a whole day. Check it. This is my farm's inside view and one camera built in farm and its main room for animals, food. Check it. Outside view of my farm. This is village home, farm village home, and this is worker and our farm doing doing a doing best work in farm. Check this cow, really beautiful. Let's come in. I will show you donkey. Check it. This donkey used for work, heavy load of work. Cow. Check it, guys. I love this goats because it's really a loyal animal. Check it. My sweetie goat. Now come here. I will show you. And cows babies. This one cow baby. This cow's baby. And then I will show you this cow baby. And newborn baby. Show you. Hey Charlie Brown. Hey Charlie Brown. This is really a nice cute looks and show her love with me. Hey, really a cutie. Nice. Both of these brown color, cute look. Must drop your feedback about these animals. Do you love with animal? Check it. Newborn baby, Charlie Brown. Hey, wow. Showing her love with me. Really a beautiful. I really like this. And oh yes, I will show you a buffalo baby. Check this. This is buffalo baby. I really love these animals. I check it. This cow baby doing fight with newborn babies. Check it. Oh wow. You guys check this sunset view. Really it's nice. Hey, check it. Cute hen baby. Little cute hen baby. Here's my younger baby. Here's my son. Oh, yellow bird. Look like yellow bird. Exactly. Showing her love with dad. My son showing her love. Showing his love with dad. Feelings fresh. No guys, come here. I will show you a hen's little house, and hopefully you will enjoy this farm tour. Hey, really amazing. This dog is take care of whole farm. Check it. Hey dog. Hey. Check it guys. Hey, this dog take care of all our farm. You can check it. This village farmhouse. Come here guys. This is another cows. One cow and two her babies. Check it. Oh, showing her angry mood. Really nice. Check it this view. Birds going his home. Birds going to their home after spending whole day searching her food and spend her whole day. Then in evening they are going to her home. I really like this village view, like greenery view, like animals, farm view. Hey guys, check it. This dog is my farm's Tommy. Tommy. Really cute, yaar. I really like it. Hope these guys you will like this. This dog really is safety of this farm. Hey, doggy, Tommy. No guys, check this. Really an amazing view. This, check it. Hens, cows, fallows, green environment. This time of taking a milk, my cousin doing a work, hardly work. Oh, really nice. We really like these animals and love these animals. Check it. Oh, very nice. This time of milk. Wow. Birds flying, really nice. Evening view. Oh, rabbit. Guys, check it. This is rabbit. You can watch every type of animals and birds and hens. This is rabbit. Couple rabbit. Really nice.